Hey everybody, it's Michael Colon with Travels with Michael, and guess what? It's Happy Halloween. It's the last day, so I should probably open up my box from Bespoke Post. And so this month's box is called Stealth. It's not specifically travel related. I try to always get travel stuff, but it is supposed to be a really cool knife set. And I thought, well, for those that go camping or maybe hunting, I'm not a hunter. I can't imagine killing an animal. Although as long as you eat it, I guess it's fine. But we're gonna open this. So this little box just came in the mail. I've been sitting on it for a few days because I was filming and then I had to take care of a lot of stuff. I also do a daily vlog now. I do a daily vlog in my personal life, so I can link that below if you want to check it out. But anyways, this is for this one, Bespoke Post. Look how cute this little box is. Okay, so I just undid the tape. So let's undo it. Oh, here's a little paper. Stealth. I can put my glasses on because I can never read these things. Okay, so Stealth. That's the name of it. What's in the box? We got a sideliner pocket knife, Bear & Son cutlery, an ultimate 7-in-1 tool pen. Now that's cool. Oh, and a money clip. And a key capsule. So all that stuff is in there. All right, that's not too bad. Let's take it out. So it's all wrapped up. Nice. So we're gonna do this little, just take everything out. So there's nothing else in the box. Curated by Bespoke Post. Thank you, Bespoke Post. I appreciate it. Okay, so we're gonna do, it looks like this is, there's all kinds of cool stuff here. So we're gonna do this, actually, let's do this one first, because it seems like it's easier. This would be the tool pen, the 7-in-1 tool pen. So let's take it out. This is pretty fascinating. That's okay. So I can see that there's a level on there. Let's take it out. Okay. I don't know what 7 things it does. I'll probably have to look at this later, but there's a pen. There's a stylist. There's rulers. So there's a couple of rulers. So it works as a ruler. And then there's a level. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know what else there is. Twist it. Let me see. Hold on. There's so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. It says 7. Any paperwork? Oh, here it is. Ballpoint pen. We see that. Touchscreen stylus. Spirit level, which we see. Inches and centimeter rulers. Phillips head and flathead screwdrivers underneath the stylus. Oh, snip. Let's go see. I can feel it's loose here. I do a pull. I don't want to break it. Oh, I'm twisting. Oh, oh, where's the camera? That's kind of cool. So I think look at that. You take it out and you flip it. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, I kind of like this. I wonder if I probably can't travel with this because it might be considered a weapon, but it is kind of cool. So then you just stick this back on. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that's kind of unique. I like fun little kitschy little stuff like this because, you know, you never know when it's going to come in handy. And sometimes I find I work these things and they come in really handy. I can also put this in my photography bag because I could happy there. I could take it to set because I could use it there. I never have to measure or screw anything, but you never know. You just never know. Look, I can't get it back together. All right, well, I don't have to. Okay, so there's that. Put that back in the box. And then paper. We don't need the paper. Don't need paper. Let me just go this way. Okay, so now we have these little things, which they look like they go together. So there's so there was a the money clip key capsule. I don't know what that is. There's different things here. I don't know how to open them. You know, I have scissors. Hold on. Scissors. I don't know how to open this. I'll just open along the thing here. Oh yeah, okay. It's gonna be a long video just because I can't open everything. Okay. So this, I would imagine, is the money clip. I don't really use money clips because I don't ever carry that much cash and cards. But this is kind of cool. Very simple. I do like the simple design. Okay, so that was that one. Now we're going to open this one. I don't know if you can see it, but I just opened it just above the word right here. So there's little designs on the back. So I don't know what that means. It must be, I don't know, let's look. Guess we won't know until we open it, right? Da-da-da. Little key capsule. Oh, maybe you put pills in here? Yeah, it's just a little capsule that goes on your keychain. I'm gonna see I wonder what you put in here. I guess you could put pills. Money clip and key capsule. So I'm gonna imagine you put pills or something in here. I don't know. I'm gonna research that, but that's cool. I'd probably use that more than I would use this. I just don't use money clips. And I just ordered a wallet because I'm getting ready to travel. And I want something small when I move around town. So there's that. Now it's time for the pièce de résistance, which is the knife, which is a sideline or pocket knife. Oh, I can't have a pocket knife anymore. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, very sleek design. So there's little notches right here, so I guess that's what you use to pull it out. Oh, please don't let me hurt. Oh, there's a little thing right here. Ah! Oh, okay, just pull it out this way, my bad. I'm not a knife expert. Oh, that's not too bad. Bear and Son is what it says. Bear and Son. So just a nice little thing maybe to use while you're, And then I'll loosen it. Oh my God, I don't hurt myself. I would hurt myself too. I'd be the one. I'll figure it out. There's got to be something to release it, right? Well, it doesn't matter. I'll figure it out. But anyways, and there's also like a little belt loop right here, which is kind of cool. So I should figure out how to release it because I don't want to have an open knife. Ah. Okay, I'm not going to. Oh, look at it. I don't want to hurt myself. Anyways, there's a knife. That's this month's Bespoke post for October, which is the last day. I talked about waiting until the last minute. I just had a busy month, and I wanted to take care. I'm going to get rid of this stuff. I wanted to take care of everything that I could. So, hope everybody is doing well. I hope you are having a good Halloween. Tomorrow we basically start listening to Christmas music, so good luck with that. But have a good day, everybody. Happy holidays, and I will see you next month for next month's box Bespoke post. In the meantime, take care, and I'll see you on your next adventure.